Okay, this class 10 SS, chapter 17, economic problems and challenges, with a focus on poverty and unemployment. Part 2, now is developing strategy for poverty eradication. Eradication is a removal. Strategy is a scheme. So what are the scheme for removing poverty? Uh, which type of strategy is to be adopted to remove poverty? That is the topic here. Uh, for the actual economic development, social development, and cultural development of India, it was thought that it is possible only by developing villages, because most of the people, a large population of people, are living in villages. And there was a program, Gramodaya se Bharat, which present government has implemented the basic idea that the upliftment of the country. Gramodaya se Bharat. Uh, After independence, the government started another program, Garibi Hatao, and in urban areas, in the cities, they had development of cities, and for the rural areas, for the development of cities, they had large scale and heavy industries which generated more employment to the people in the city. And for the rural areas, Green Revolution and other land reform acts were implemented. Okay, all this increased production, in increasing production and employment opportunity. The second is to remove disparity of income. That means the very rich people earn a lot of money and very poor people earn very little money. In order to remove this, government framed such types of taxations that will help the people. They also made fair price shops, FPS, where the strategy was made to provide essential commodities to the poor people at a fixed price, at a fair price, rather than in the market price. Agriculture sector needed to be improved. Government implemented many programs like Land Ceiling Act, regulation of tenancy act, meaning tenancies, people who are tenants in places, and security of cultivation rights. Who can cultivate land? Only those people who had land could cultivate this, so that landlords and land laborers could become less. Government announced other policies for to encourage agriculture or related industries like cattle rearing, dairy industries, pisciculture. Pisciculture is fish and afforestation. Other programs were small irrigation schemes, household industries, cottage industries, and small scale industries. The government also improved the structure of education, health, residence, uh, employment, family planning, communication, etc., in order to uh, increase the development. And they made programs for empowerment of women, uh, and they also had some poverty elevation programs, which could sort of reduce the poverty, and people could be elevated to get more money and come away from the poverty line. One was the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, which had improvement in irrigation facilities and development of agricultural land like drip irrigation system, construction of small, big, medium-sized dams. Then their Prime Minister Farm Safety Insurance Plan, in which they had Shiti Mukt Krushi Bhav Panch, which was set up to stabilize the prices uh, of crops that farmers grow. A national drinking water program, which had said digging of ponds and watershed development, construction of tanks, conservation of rainwater, afforestation, construction lining of canal, planting trees and shrubs, renovation and revitalization of check dams to increase employment in rural areas. ENAM scheme. ENAM is uh, to develop online trading system so that middle people can go away and uh, the farmers could get more and more, earn more economic profit from this. Gramodaya to Bharatudaya. Farm oriented plans were made and to prevent loss to farmers due to wild animals. The government also had also utilized modern satellites and drone techniques for rain forecasting, discovering mineral-rich regions through satellites. That is the latest computerization and digitization. Also, Din Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, which the government gave subsidy to purchase equipment for agricultural sector, and poor farmers can also get a subsidy to provide them with obtaining electricity through solar energy and to purchase solar technical equipment like pumps and others. There was also subsidy under the scheme of Vanabandhu Kalyan Yojana for all-round development of Adivasis, for tribal people. And the program was Comprehensive Dairy Development Employment Scheme. Uh, Government gave also encouragement to organic farming. Chief Minister Village Road Scheme for roads and highways and construction of toilets, especially for the village panchayat. There was this Ma Annapurna Yojana, which gave food to poor people at lower prices. This photograph is given. There were places where food can be given to at very, very low cost. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana to set up ideal villages, model villages. Then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MANREGA, for employing people in the rural areas. Mission Mangalam was creating self-helping groups, especially for women, and they made small-scale industries like making pickles and agarbattis, etc. There were other schemes also which were there. Now, talking about unemployment. What is unemployment? Say, is one who is an adult whose age is 15 to 60 years and ready to work at the prevalent market rate of wages, has energy and qualification to do work, and if that person is not able to find proper employment, then that is called unemployment. What are the types of unemployment? Seasonal unemployment, meaning for some season people can get work and the other season, without that season, people may not get work. Frictional unemployment, where because of old technology, people cannot get used to new technologies and get unemployed. Structural employment, because of orthodox systems, traditions, customs, illiteracy, people get unemployed. Disguise unemployment, that few laborers maybe increase, maybe decrease to get different types of production, and they are removed from the work for say some time, and extra laborers are said to be unemployed. Industrial unemployment. If the industrial production is reduced, then employment is also reduced. People get unemployed. Educated unemployment. If a person gets at least secondary education or degree and is unemployed. He is an educated unemployed. So these are all the different types of, and here we discuss proportion of unemployment in India in various groups for census 2011, and what are the efforts to reduce unemployment. First is an economic development of high goal economic development, so that more and more people can get employment. Employment should be made labor intensive, so that small very low educated people also can get, and skilled people also can get employment. More number of people may be employed in rural areas at less investment rather than uh, urban areas, city areas where more capital would be required. In order to sustain human development, developing rural areas, health, education, drinking water, nutritious foods, electricity, roads, banking, and all these activities could be sustained, developed in order to sustain people. Uh, Programs for educating and training of youth, special skills could be developed so that the employment increases. The Labour Ministry also formed Make in India, Skill India, and Digital India to enhance knowledge, understanding, and in terms develop employment. Higher education, IIT and IIMs would be are being established, so that more and more employment can be generated at a very high level. Government also has opened new areas for employment to plan manpower, so that a lot of people, especially the service sector, automobile, uh, electronics, spinning, weaving, plumbing, radios, such jobs also can be developed by having short-term diploma and certificate courses, and also give a lot of impetus, a lot of goal for Startup India, for promoting new businesses. So these were all the. There was also employment opportunities, new employment opportunities in industrial growth, in self-employment and small scale, large scale industries. And the government also set up employment exchange, so that one could register in the employment exchange, and whenever there is a employment in the government or in semi-government sectors, then that person could be notified that now there is a employment, and now you can choose to go into it. So they published also magazines like Rozgar Karkedi. So these are the employment schemes. Now, world labor market. Labor migrate from one country to another. Okay, so they need that kind of technology, higher technical education, skill development, so that they can earn more and more money in other countries. This also makes brain drain or migration at the international level. So what happens is that uh, we need country-wise mobility of labor. Okay, so from one country to another country, people can go and have permanent settlement. This will actually increase a lot of globalization and liberalization in